Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Face ID not available. Try setting up Face ID later issue on your iPhone or other Apple device. So guys, if you are trying to set up your Face ID on your iPhone or other Apple device but you are facing this pop-up and you are unable to set Face ID on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, check the front cam of your iPhone whether it is working properly or not. So guys, make sure that the front cam of your iPhone is working properly. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply open settings on your device, and then you have to go to general and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. So guys, if there is any update available for you, simply update it, and after this go back and now scroll it below and tap on date and time and set your date and time, and then tap on language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly, and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open this support app, and after this you can get any kind of support from the Apple team from here. So guys, after contacting the Apple support team, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, after this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.